Hello everyone, this is Case and today we're at the Apple Store getting the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's take a look. Here are all the iPhones with all the different colors, and this is the iPhone 11. Now the Pro version, you can see there are a lot of colors, beautiful colors. This is the iPhone 11. I think this is the purple color. It doesn't look very purple, but that's what they call it, with two cameras. And this one is the iPhone Pro 11 and Pro Max. You can see the size difference between both of them. The gold color looks pretty nice with the matte finish in the back. And now let's take a look at what's inside this iPhone 11 Pro Max 256GB in the midnight green color. The box is different this time. It's a black box compared to the other boxes for the previous versions of iPhone. And let's see what's inside this box. Open it up. And there it is. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful phone. Look at the matte finish. Let's see what else is inside the box. So you have your headphones as usual, charging cable, and this time you get a USB-C fast charge adapter. So that's cool because it's a Pro version. As you can see, the screen protector is only on one side this time compared to like how it was in the past on both sides. Okay, let's peel it off and see how it is. This is a beautiful phone for sure. 3 cameras, as you can see, the wide, ultra wide, and the normal camera. And since I'm here already, let's take a look at the new Apple Watch Series 5 with the always on display. So you can see this is the always on display right now running. Looking at another model, see how it turns back to the normal color when you put it back or you ignore it. Basically it goes back to the dark. Pick it up, or like basically you move your wrist and then it will turn back on. Beautiful design. I was also able to test the new watchOS 6 noise level on my Watch Series 4. Looks pretty okay too. That's all I have for you guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the tour of the Apple Store on the launch day. Please make sure to subscribe for my channel for more reviews. I will make an in-depth review of the iPhone 11 Pro later in the week, so stay tuned for that. Thanks guys, till next time.